Open talk show. Is AI making us smarter or just doing the thinking for us? Okay, real talk. Does using AI make us super productive geniuses or are we just outsourcing our brains and getting dumber by the day?
Number. Next question.
Bro, no way. AI is like my personal assistant who never takes a lunch break. I'm getting more done faster.
Oh, without you really doing the thinking or just taking credit for what guy spits out?
Okay, fair question. But tell me, before AI, did you ever Google how to make a resume and copy paste the best one?
Maybe, right?
Same energy. AI is just faster. Google with better handwriting, I think.
Nah, it's more than that. Google gives you links, AI writes the whole thing. Before you at least had to read 5 blogs, compare info, think a little now. You type a prompt, copy paste, done. Zero brain effort.
Okay, let's test this. I will ask AI, write me a gym workout that makes me look like a Bollywood action hero.
Oh, action hero. And in 2 seconds, it gives you a full workout plan, diet, and even motivational quotes.
Exactly. Before, I would spend hours researching, get distracted watching a fitness influencer, and even I end up ordering pizza instead. AI saves me from myself, I think.
Yeah, but that's my point. I think you can see. And you're not learning why certain exercise work. You're blindly following instruction. Yeah. It's like cooking with a recipe you don't understand what happened when AI is not there. Do you see?
Then I think I make instant noodles though.
See, that's the problem. AI is making us lazy learners.
Hold up. Isn't that what every new tech does? Like when calculators came out, teachers said kids won't know basic maths. Now we are out here using Excel like magicians.
Excel like magician. Yeah, okay. But calculator didn't stop people from understanding math. AI, though, people are running businesses without knowing basic marketing because they just ask AI to write a sales page and they go for it.
That was so real though. But that's also kind of genius. Like, bro, uh, why struggle when learning every tiny thing when AI can handle it? Like when AI can handle it, then why do we need to struggle?
Why is struggle learning every tiny things when AI can handle it? That's a good point, but because if AI disappears, so does your skill set. Imagine you are at a fancy dinner in Paris and the menu all French. Before you'd at least remember fromage means cheese. Now AI translate everything and your brain stays empty.
Okay, real scenario. Let's say AI disappears tomorrow. Are you telling me people will forget how to write emails?
Not email, but maybe structuring a convincing argument, picking the right words, or even spelling things properly. Have you noticed people don't even proofread anymore?
That's true. That's true. But dude, AI is just a tool for me. If you are dumb, AI doesn't make you dumber. It just shows it faster.
So AI is not taking away intelligence, it's exposing who is actually thinking.
Exactly. If you're creative, AI makes you unstoppable. If you're lazy, AI just makes that obvious.
That's a good point. Okay, I see what you're saying, but what about school? Should students even bother learning how to write essays when AI can do it for them?
God, school is like young people. Okay, they should, but AI should be their sidekick, not the superhero. Like, imagine a student in Mumbai writing a research paper. Before they would spend hours looking for sources. Now, AI gives them everything in seconds. They still have to analyze and think. AI just providing the source.
Unless they copy paste and call it a day. That's what most of the students are doing. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, some will, but listen. Even when Wikipedia came out, people, those students, would stop learning. Instead, it just become another tool. AI is same. It's only dangerous if people use it without thinking.
So AI is not replacing intelligence. It's just changing how we use it.
Yeah, absolutely. If you are curious, AI makes you 10x smarter, like me. If you are lazy, AI lets you pretend you are smarter, but you are actually going down more.
Yeah. AI is not making us dumber. That's a good point. If you're lazy, AI lets you pretend you're smarter, making you more lazy. AI is not making us dumber. It's just exposing the difference between real thinkers and copy pasters.
Wow, boom, mic drop statement.
All right. Before we go, here's the challenge. Next time you use AI, think first. Instead of what's the answer, ask how would I solve this without AI? Then use AI to make it better, not to do all the work for you.
Smart. AI should be your co pilot, not your driver.
Yes. All right. We are wrapping up. Hit us up. Do you think AI is making us smarter, or are we just getting better at faking it?
Drop your thoughts unless AI is writing them for you. I am Panthrit.
And I'm AK.
Catch you next time on Open Talk Show.
Hooray.